Hey y'all, Jamie Deen back in Mama's Kitchen, and today we're doing a really delicious recipe, sausage with peppers and onions or grits. Oh, grits is one of my favorite things. We gotta get started. We got some cooking to do today. I have 6 cups of chicken broth. We're gonna cook our grits in chicken broth today, y'all. I've always done my grits in regular water, but Lord have mercy, this is about how much heavy cream I'd put into it. About that much heavy cream with butter, and that makes a grit good. We're gonna try our chicken stock today. So I'm gonna get this boiling, and I've got our grits ready to go in as soon as we can get that going. And while that's cooking, see I got the big pan going today. We're gonna take some sausage that Teresa's gotten from a local market. This is just an Italian case sausage.
And it's actually turkey.
Turkey, oh good. We eat a lot of this turkey sausage at our house too. No olive oil in this? Oh, this is balsamic.
Sorry, it's right below you in that drawer, but
Oh,
it should be right in that drawer.
Here we go. It's all good. A little bit of olive oil.
You're about to pour some balsamic all over it.
Sure was, and I'm not above it either. This is heating up a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here so our sausage doesn't stick. This is gonna cook for, this is gonna take a few minutes. This is raw sausage that I'm gonna get browned on all the sides. So as exciting and as fun as this is, raw sausage in a cold pan, chicken broth with nothing happening, I'm gonna have to let y'all go right now. I got a few minutes of things to do. By the time y'all come back, we'll be cooking good. Don't go anywhere. And now here we are. Look at that, I told y'all. No sense sitting around waiting on me. We got our grits done. And I've turned those off. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese in here as our directions. About a cup of cheese in here. About that much right there. I'm gonna twist that up. Right after I take our sausage off. You see I got our sausages done here. It's off here. Got them up to 165 on the inside. I'm gonna put them here on our board and straight into this fire hot skillet that I've been cooking these in. I'm gonna add our 2 red bell peppers. I love red bell peppers because they have a sweet flavor. I don't like the green ones so much. So I've got 2 red peppers, and then we've got 1 onion that I sliced. So this is gonna take another few minutes to kind of cook down, and I'm gonna throw in some garlic. A little bit of garlic. So we have the renderings from our sausage in here, our garlic. This is gonna be good. Now, let me see, I'll twist this up for you. Let's do this before I get out of here. This is gonna be perfectly melted. This is the point where I would start adding heavy cream, but I'm not, they're fine the way they are. We're going chicken stock today. Look at those delicious cheesy grits. Now, I'm not gonna do this to you, y'all. Y'all don't wanna sit here long enough for this to cook. This is probably another 8 or 10 minutes. I'm gonna wilt this down, sweat it really good, and then the final step. We're almost there. One more break and we're chewing. See you back in a minute. Yes, sir, and yes, ma'am. All right, now we got this cooked down. Time for part 2. I've got our sausage that we've taken off of here. I'm gonna cut this into about 1/2 inch sizes. I could have done a few of these before y'all got here to save the time. I'm so worried about y'all sitting around bored. So how's your summer going? My wife, family, and I just went up to the lake in the middle of Georgia and spent some time there, and it was so fun. And we got to see all of our friends from all over the state. And summer is really a lot of fun for us, but it is winding up quickly. Our middle son has started his high school football regimen, so we can't go anywhere too far anymore because football season has started. Now, in she goes. Our red peppers, our onions, our sausage that we've cooked down. Now this is very interesting, and I cannot wait to see what we come up with here. The last item that we're gonna add to our dish is 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. And I do love balsamic vinegar. This is a good one. Remember when I said I hate to see y'all sitting around watching me do nothing? This would qualify as that. I don't know if I'm gonna have the patience to get to the whole third of cup because I know you're about to turn the channel. There we go. Balsamic vinegar. Oh my gosh, this is going to thicken up and be so delicious. I am not going to be able to stand myself. What do you think? Does this look like something that y'all would fix at the house?
Smells so good.
Sure does look like something that would go down at my house. Ooh, we did some sandwiches a couple of shows ago. If I had that bread, I tell you what, we'd be eating this on a piece of bread. And that's all there is to it. So why don't we sit that there and let that heat for a second. We've got our dish all ready for our grits and cook them in chicken stock, which I have not done before, as I frantically search for a spoon. Frantically searching for a spoon? Frantically? This is we're a crew of 2 around here. We do the best we can. Sometimes I have to go get my own spoon. Can y'all imagine? I sure do wish I'd have put a little heavy cream in these grits. I'm gonna try to make this look pretty for you. That ought to do it right there. Let's move down here. Clean my dish up. I believe I can turn this off. This is thickened up nice. Well, if you tune in to watch me burn my mouth, you picked a good day, because this is hot. Let's go. Woof. Pretty good breakfast.
This is a great dinner.
Uh-huh. Oh, give me some grits for dinner. I love it. Isn't that pretty? Boy, that looks hearty. Mm-hmm. I'm going to let y'all wonder at that delicious dinner while I walk over here and get yet another spoon. You know, it's a tough job, y'all. It's a tough job. Somebody has to do it. I'm here for you. Let's go for the grits first. I'm going to see what that chicken stock tastes like. Whoa. Dadgum. I like the chicken stock better than the heavy cream. I'm not kidding you. Those are delish. Gosh, I love grits. I almost forgot to tell you. When you put your water in, salt that water. You got to salt your grit water or you'll never have salty grits. Wow. All right, I'm going to try onion and pepper. This is going to be hot. God, I'm so full, y'all. Just every time I turn around, I got to eat. The positions that I get put in. Completely worth every one of them. Delish. I got a little bit of fresh parsley over there. Should have put on the top. Other than that, sublime. Balsamic vinaigrette, what it does to those vegetables. And I'm telling you, chicken stock grits, great day in the morning. This is fantastic. I'm Jamie Deen. Thanks, y'all. I'll see you around the kitchen. This is good, T.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.